everyone, welcome to the Let's Learn English with Sanjana. How are you all? Hope you're doing great. So in this video I am going to share some sentences which we can use with our children. Yes, because sometimes we feel like which type of sentences or which type of conversation we can do with our children. If you have no any idea, or if you have some confusion, so you watch this video till the very end, so you will get to know that which type of conversation you can do with your kids in English, okay, since morning to evening. So watch this video till the very end and you will get to know those sentences which you can speak with your kids, and your kids will also learn. Okay, so without any further delay, let's go to the video. So today's first sentence is open your eyes and wake up. Open your eyes and wake up. Next, I'm going to tell you stretch your arms and legs. Stretch your arms and legs. Pull the blankets and fix your bed. Pull the blankets and fix your bed. Go to the bathroom and use the toilet. Go to the bathroom and use the toilet. Flush the toilet after use. Flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands with soap. Wash your hands with soap. Next, I'm going to tell you brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Next is rinse your mouth with water. Rinse your mouth with water. Spit out the water after rinsing. Spit out the water after rinsing. Next is wash your face with soap and water. Wash your face with soap and water. Pat your face dry with a towel. Pat your face dry with a towel. Comb your hair nicely. Comb your hair nicely. Next, put on your clothes for the day. Put on your clothes for the day. Put on your socks. Put on your socks. Put on your shoes properly. Put on your shoes properly. Repeat it after me. Start eating your breakfast. Start eating your breakfast. Chew your food properly. Chew your food properly. Next is drink a glass of water. Drink a glass of water. Repeat it. Wipe your mouth after eating. Wipe your mouth after eating. Take your plate to the sink. Take your plate to the sink. Wash your hands after eating. Wash your hands after eating. Check your school bag for books. Check your school bag for books. Get ready for school. Get ready for school. You can repeat it after me. Say goodbye to your family. Say goodbye to your family. Say hello to your friends at school. Say hello to your friends at school. Pay attention to your teacher. Pay attention to your teacher. Raise your hand to answer questions. Raise your hand to answer questions. Share your things with friends. Share your things with friends. Repeat it after me. Put your trash in the bin. Put your trash in the bin. Now it's your turn. Start your homework right away. Start your homework right away. Help with small chores around the house. Help with small chores around the house. Go outside and play with your friends. Go outside and play with your friends. Put your toys away after playing. Put your toys away after playing. Next is I'm going to tell you. You can repeat it after me also. So it's really helpful for everyone, for every children. Next is help set the table for dinner. Help set the table for dinner. Wipe the table after dinner. Wipe the table after dinner. Okay. Go to the bathroom and take a bath. Go to the bathroom and take a bath. Okay. Use soap to wash your body. Use soap to wash your body. Next is dry yourself with a towel. Dry yourself with a towel. Next is I'm going to tell you, say sorry if you hurt someone. Say sorry if you hurt someone. Someone means किसी को अगर hurt पहुंचाया है तो. Hold the door for others. Hold the door for others. Be polite to everyone. Be polite to everyone. Give your parents a big hug. Give your parents a big hug. Play with your toys. Play with your toys. Next is eat dinner with the family. Eat dinner with the family. Say please and thank you. Say please and thank you. Good morning. Time to wake up. Good morning. Time to wake up. Again, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Now it's your turn. Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. It's your turn. What should I wear today? What should I wear today? Don't spill your drink. Don't spill your drink means girana. I am being careful. I am being careful. Finish your food. Finish your food. Next is I'm going to tell you, put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Repeat it after me. Don't forget your backpack. Don't forget your backpack. Time for school. Time for school. Okay. Welcome back from school. Welcome back from school. Next is take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Next, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Let's do your homework. Let's do your homework. Repeat it after me. Okay. Do you need help with your homework? Do you need help with your homework? Like, share and subscribe.